away, my country people. Not be smart, it don't happen again. It don't bust, it don't scatter. Not be smart, Make una carry una joko, they sit down, come listen to this one, Not be small matter. I know say most of una know this lady, one I see for my stream here. Alena Prophetess Grace. She don't bust come out, not be small matter. Before we go touch like this matter, my first greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time when you take it across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. Okay, my country people, not be smart, Prophetess Grace don't boss come out to not be smart. She don't call out K.O Family. She let her know say he get video when he make concerning his papa. May he bring all those videos down, especially this one where it's screenshot put for here. May she bring them down. It say for the video. Say K.O Family talk say na Papa J na he delete her mama. Not be smart, my country people. I say this one he heavy for my mouth. He say this particular video so say it's still there K.O Family page. Say may he bring down the video. Say he come in peace with this one. May he bring down all those videos when he make concerning him papa. And if he not do so, say they go wear the agbada. Not be smart, my country people. He say not be say sabi take down video. Say he sabi take down video. Make a family may bring down the video. Say he just come in peace. And they can't talk say all this kind of thing when they go on all this saga of a thing. Say now her platform. Now this thing for start. Say not be smart, Even Ruth Mathew case so etc. etc. And the contact say why we not ask. Say why Prof S not they post every day. They post as before. They talk about Ruth Mathew. Say it go just come at once. My people, not be smart. I say this one, not be waiting. I go use my mouth to narrate finish. I go leave una mona for watch this video. Where she for the talk and say make K.O Family may bring that the video. Say when he talk say na papa na I delete her mama and the contact say peken delete for Germany for swimming pool. Not be smart, man. Not be my mouth. I go for hear all this one finish. Me I can't listen for the horse's mouth where for the talker make K.O Family may you respect, may you just make it peacefully. They don't need that hot. May she bring down the video.
So K.O Family, the last time I talked to you was when you come out, when you are talking to my spiritual father concerning a woman that claimed that my spiritual father was the one who killed a child in Germany. Years ago, that was when I come out for you, and when you were having when Yagbeshari, my brother, also talked to you. That is when I come out for you. And as you see me, I don't just put my mouth in any issue that is not important. And also, some issues might be important. I can decide to fight it in inner way, not public. Yes, that is how I do my own findings and things. K.O Family, please, if you remember the video you did on this very t-shirt, that is why I put it there. The video you did on this very chat concerning that child issue, you have apologized. I didn't see your apology video, but they say you apologized to my spiritual father already. It's okay if you apologize, but what is not okay with this now is this. You apologize and the video is still there. People are still carrying the video to insult my father with your voice. With your voice. People are still carrying it with your voice to insult my father, which is not nice. I don't know if I can even send that video here. Okay, I can. Let me send the video so I can play it. You understand? I've sent it and I pray it come out where I'm supposed to see it. Okay, I've seen it. All right, let me open it. The video I'm talking about, you have apologized. It's fine. It's normal. But since you apologize, you could have bring down that video. because they are still carrying it to insult my father, and people are calling us to make us to understand that you are the one sending the video to them. And me, I don't want to believe. No. I don't believe on them. Say, I hear from the horse's mouth. I don't have your number, and I don't need to call you. Why won't I? Why will I will not call you? Is that when you did this video for about 3, 4, 5 times insulting my father, you did not bother to call us, the children, to ask us our own side of the story before presenting it. And your platform was one among the platforms I love. The way when you come out with your prank videos, but immediately you enter that issue of insulting my father, it makes me go angry then. But they said you apologized. I didn't see your apology, but it's okay. If you have apologized, which means you've deviated from talking about this issue, you know that you talked to an elderly man that you are not supposed to talk to, because he's not the one that killed your mother. But let's leave all those issues now, K.O family. Please, this video needs to be brought down. This very video you did.
Of course, she received a message from Pastor Godwin, the one that is in Vienna.
You are hearing.
She received a message from Godwin, because afterwards nobody showed her love, no condolence, no sorry, because Pastor Jeremiah had to disappear because of the criminal police or the children.
Okay, so this is the video I am talking about, K.O family. So this is the video I'm talking about. I'm not explaining to anybody. I hold nobody explanation like my brother said, but I just want you to know the reason why I'm talking to you today, so that people on Facebook, they turn issues very well. They can change this. Look at mama, she's insulting you there, she's doing that, she's doing this. No, this is not an insult yet, no. But I'm calling you out to bring down this video. This video, a lot of videos you did on this very period to insult my father, people are still carrying it, and you have apologized, and you want us to believe that your apology is being accepted, is fine. But you apologizing and this video is still there, and people are writing me. Do you know how many messages I get? I didn't even have this video. They send it to me. People are writing me that you are sending this video out, which I might believe, I might not believe. Because they said she has apologized, so it has not come to that yet. Our Father teaches us how to love. You understand, my brother? How to love and how to forgive. If she has already apologized, let her bring the video down. The video, that is what I'm asking. This video should be put down. All the video you make that period should be brought down. If I want to bring them down myself, I know how to do it. I will bring all the videos down. But you need to bring it down, my sister, please. Now her platform, them use start this rubbish of social media insult. You see, many of my people are angry, but I'm still talking to them that life is not like that. Let's take it easy. Let's make a video. It's only me that is making this video. Nobody else will make video. Because I've talked to all of them to just calm down. Let me handle it on my own. So please, K.O family, every video you did about our father, bring it down. Bring it down, because people, you know, people on social media, they are very good on twisting issue. You did not send video to anybody now. They are saying you are sending video. So about 3 people that is using your video to insult our father. So on behalf of my brothers and sisters, sons and daughters of Senior Prophet Jeremy, we are here to talk to you to bring down this video. Yes. This video, we want you to bring it down. That is why I played the video likely, so you can know the video we are talking about. You bring it down. Now that we have talked to her to bring down this video, if this video is not done, then we'll know. We'll know what to do. But not only this video, every video she did. I don't have her number. I could have called her to tell her. I don't have to. It's not everything we bring on social. No. I could have called her to tell her, but I don't have her number. And if I call her now, I don't know if she have my number, if she will pick or not. I don't know. So that is why I decided to say it here. Please bring these videos you did those periods, because my father did not kill your mother, number one. He did not kill any child. When you started this, that is when people was carrying it up and down, and it's becoming different thing now. So, and also this your video, they are also still carrying it. So please, my sister, that's why I'm here. We are begging and we are asking now to bring down these videos, please. And if you bring it down, I also want to know, I want somebody to also let me know so I can address it, that she has bring it down. Oh, anybody that carry it before, anybody that have it before, and they are the one using it too. It's not K.O Family that send it to them. So we can clear the air. Please, everyone calm down. Let's see. Since this video will get to her, because I don't have a number. If the video get to her, fine. Let her bring down the video she make about my father, because this video is making every one of us to get angry now, because they are carrying it, they are writing nonsense on it, saying nonsense. This is the beginning of all rubbish on Facebook. If you see it now, K.O Family, is the beginning of all deep rubbish on Facebook. You think about it. This man is old enough to be your father. I don't want to have issue with anybody that does not have issue with me. But when you have issue with my father, you have issue with me. So I'm begging you, since you have apologized, I did not see your apology video, but it's fine. Since you have apologized, bring down this video, please.
On the issue
Go
of
ahead.
K.O Family, since I dropped the video about her, that was last year, November, I think that was November, I think December. What I want to say about it, that is, then I haven't said anything about it because of the fact that she bargained for what she was looking for. First of all, she forgot that our platform was to educate people. Then, unfortunately, from nowhere, she diverted her speech to where she did not supposed to divert it to. Of which, not be everybody now you go free. For her to come mention the name of our Papa for some certain things towards the death of our mother and taking pikin wey go die for swimming pool wey not concern where they for do crusade. Then use all of the Jpac, now our platform that they start all these social media insults to pastors and men of God. And as she did that, so she not get character. I not actually call your cocker saying na your character and want talk. But if they fight, they finish. And if they quarrel, they settle the quarrel. The thing is say, if not true say this girl do apology video I never see. Make she do proper apology video, then we ourselves too, you go know what to do, because presently, as he take our Papa, Prophet Jeremiah as enemy, to me, I get my own opinion. I will take him as enemy till death do me and her part.
Until she
but if you don't want her like that, so make she do proper apology. Make she do proper apology. Then I still notice, say, I posted a video of that Mr. Simeon Ekele, who gave birth to 3 children, triplets, that you actually use your platform to raise money to assist also. Then somebody used a Facebook account also to comment on that video, and I deleted the comment, writing that his name is Enoge Osas. That that she is K.O Family, that so far so good, that since we don't want to give her a chance, that she's going to torment everything around Prophet Jeremiah and that of Prophetess Grace, that was the comment the person made. I screenshot it. I can also send it to you if you want it now. I can send it to you. So before I deleted the comment from that platform of Simeon, fake account. So for that reason, if she really needs peace, just like the way you are seeing it from your angle, and that is why you are sending a message to her now, she should tender a proper apology. Then, for the past 2 weeks now, anybody who has been doing video about her through their platforms, in one word, in any platform, putting her picture, she claimed all the videos to herself, and she brought those videos down. Example of this lady, Anita Shaba of Truth, who has been staggering her on the social media and a lot of people. She claimed all the videos. So since she can claim all those videos and bring those videos down, she should also bring that of the one of senior prophet Jeremiah down, because if definitely Prophet is making use of those videos, it is because those videos are still in her platform. She have not bring that down. So if she does not want to bring those videos down, definitely she does not even want anything like peace on the side of we, the children of Prophet Jeremiah. Because to me, you as a mother that I took as a mother, you are a woman of God, you have your own church, and this is your platform. And Prophet Jeremiah is your spiritual father, and he took me also as a spiritual son. So for that reason, I will not give chance to anybody who will say we torment my father or my mother. Because you know go fit cost me for where my mama day. I know if you get papa self, if na bite, I will fit bite you, I go bite you in self-defense. So she should put this in her head.
Say you want to torment me. Say wetin me do am. Say you want to torment me.
And I be the comment section. That comment where that person write under the video in your office when I brought Mr. Sima Ekele to your office. So that is just it by the way. But if she need peace, she should go and tell the apology. Unless people just talk, say she do apology. At least her platform is big enough. Any video when she post, a lot of her enemies go just post the video. So me say for don't see the video. Say me never see any apology. I always do online too. So make she do apology if you want peace and a saga in Europe, in Austria, where they take the face out from different platforms to end. Then she must stand too from her platform the same way she started for her platform till they insult Prophet Jeremiah. Because that is where her problem started coming from. But she don't know.
Yes,
if not by now, right. Not like you. After my video, I was expecting she would fly down to Nigeria and come and make arrest. I swear, she will not still go back, not be threat. Who wants judge case, not the travel abroad? All of us for the day here, the judge case. Even we have my papa, Prophet Jeremiah, for taking the pikin, taking the mama, he go tell us. Even we have Prophet Jeremiah for taking those children for Sumipo, and they're not here Sumipo, she for they tell us now. Then if she find me guilty for me to pay any deformation of character money in Nigeria, they will also find her guilty of paying deformation of character to Prophet Jeremiah. So that vice versa. So the best way of it, let's tender apology to my papa, Prophet Jeremiah. Then we also tender apology to her. They will let bygone be bygone. But if she decides to say she still wants to continue to be biting, then biting will be her second name. Biting will be her second name. No, I know what I'm saying. You people are our mothers. Inside the short phone again, so make I tell you now. The good, the bad, and the ugly, they're inside. Worry crisis. No, you know, my mama is reality. Worry crisis where they see where end today. 1999 worry crisis where end today. Not be Ibori, turn or he stop. Not be federal government stop am. Now the peace where pastors they preach inside the worry. The person offend you forgive him. The person offend you forgive him. That forgiveness one that they preach that make us the quiet. Like when Mr. Daniel Ofu Sylvester provoked me, Dada Masses called me and begged me. Mary J called and begged. You also called and begged that I should not answer. But if I decide to do only one video about Daniel, if body go tell him, he go not say na worry boy stubbornness that take trainer for Nigeria Army. If you meet me one-on-one, you not go fit.
But because, I tell you, may you give her Torah. I tell you, may you give her Torah woto now.
But later now, other calls coming in. Boys to tell you say, you could may see the listing and that may not be like say, now do this. But if somebody they want to take you for a fool, sometimes you go make her understand say the gentleness of a tiger does not mean that he's a coward. So once you just do him.
I tell you, may you give her Torah woto. On the other way, I tell you,
so now I gave him a second chance. Definitely the fool when he say because he's a member of the Nigerian Army is going to do one thing or the other to find a way to write me again and tell me words. On that note, he is going to feel the wrath of a real Nigerian man. Where believe say the end product of life na death. You go feel am. No, you see where this social media fight don't reach now, so sometimes some people just do the four corner of your house. Don't just write anything where they see. You not supposed to like that, mama. What is supposed to be saying? You can go fight for inside social media. We go come ground. We call the fight physically for ground. You go to make sense so that when you go to talk, how you say no? When you go to talk, like some people will not reach one set of you. Me now, I don't reach your house. I don't see what they there. Only your house interior decor. You reach to buy their full family generation. Just for your interior. No. On a more serious note, sorry, I'm talking things, saying things about your own apartment. Sorry about that. But, oh God, Mama, this on our money, I'm not drink. Oh, now coke they my hand. The kids that go they think. Now coke they my hand. I just sent somebody to go and bring it where I pack. But in reality, is what I'm telling you. Is what I'm telling you. So some of them, they just sit at the four corner of the edge of their one room apartment that is having a bulb and a fan, a ceiling fan that can just blow them. No even mosquito net to wage them from malaria. They will just be writing rubbish because they have a free data. I mean a borrowed NB because now borrow data. The one way load on the naira head will give her 15 naira MB. You go begin write rubbish. Even some of them on free mode. So the free mode now will cultivate them or just talk to people anyhow. Why can't they just find a way, find out this person? I think that by now, most of the way they pass threats, maybe by now for don't die. By now they expect that some people will not call me. MC come here, we'll kill you. Those were where they try to. I think that by now I'm not supposed they are alive. And they fight them, I'm not going to see them. They're not going to give me their address. And they challenge, I say, take address. Take our address. Why me come? Okay, you still drop your house address now. Me not see you. And the rake. So if K.O family woman, mama, like with that time, I'm not going to waste time. But that is why when I do video about K.O family, now the first time I talk with you on your platform be this. And I know that this video, so enemies, those who want to find way to hear from me since, they're going to do waiting. That they find way before they will carry this video, they will share them as me and you they talk. Not the joke. When Madam Vera and the rest they do, I know many people will write me for WhatsApp, they find way. Make I give the update and secret about K.O family woman. Now me and I get issue based on saying you sought my papa. So me not they give any information when I get about her to anybody. They offered money. I made them understand if I accept that money, that insult when some people insult me at that beginning when I do that video, it will not look as if I'm hungry. So I don't need that money. Don't you keep the money, but I'm only observing K.O family woman. I'm observing her seriously. So if they don't know the content of the man they are actually digging with, then they should come and find a way to investigate. Who be you? You know who be you? Because they ask Prophet Jeremiah questions. So as I did here, so as I know your house for there, if I go about 3 posts from your house and I was doing something in your house and something bad happened in your house, we did not pray for it. Now me too, huh? So as Muslims must say that so whether they would talk on baby testimony matter. If now mosque baby testimony tell lost inside Muslim mosque. For inside warrior lesson and main market for Sasa. Neither they pray for them, I pick in law. Yeah. You go people hold the imam, the club imam, you go fit. Not you go find your picket inside main market. Why if you say now because they're a man of God now the person is humble saying a Bible. You see sometimes when you say I not go feel like your mama. I go to church and I do all things so. But there's only one verse in that Bible that I don't take, and I will not respect it. Because what then one woman, if you injure me, one woman kill it. Unless you quick send that quick apology to me. That forgiveness is a sin when it comes to some people. Me, forgiveness is a sin to some certain things when somebody don't put me. So Madam K.O, if she really needs it, she started it from my platform. She should be able to apologize from my platform. Not that I'm not hearing you. I know you did this video on a calm note, but you doing the video, that was why I commented on David man. You don't hold this small girl an explanation. Somebody claiming 44 years, then the fool at 40 is a fool forever. Definitely at 4 years added to her 40, she's not sensible. You not respect your papa, you not respect your mama, you not go respect people. You not respect your papa, you not respect your mama, you not go respect people. The man when you do is forgetting that somebody uncle, now somebody relation. Now somebody father.
It's okay.
So these are just the things. So Madam K.O, do a proper this thing. Then if you don't want this video that the prophet is using now, because the gullible followers of prophet, they don't think. They are daft. They are daft.
If you like, let him do anything. It does not really count for us.
Yes. No. Why I'm saying this?
Not really is lifeless human being. That one is useless.
Somebody of the South African Kwakwadoska would have prof thief Somebody who used to do more than 10 videos a day concerning baby testimony, all of a sudden now, for the past 3 weeks, you only do one in a week. That in a week, except now managed because he managed to look at his back and front. So make sure say nobody cash him before they do the video. They're not the thick. And he call people now they ask us say, why this person not they settle that they do video again? He's not collecting videos. It's not collecting video, bringing videos together to talk. You don't take your emotional money now, buy Versace eyeglass here. Move them. Now they ask, and you never be buy eyeglass of 100,000. The Prophetess, they take your money now, emotional money, they buy Versace eyeglass here. Mumu, they're not they ask questions. You know, so mama. There are many of them, even the one where you do video about yesterday, where they don't know himself. Where we say he say Spain, I be France for 18 years. Carol Lotion for head, you not get anything to show for Benin.
About that Omomona.
I never want to talk about that. But
anybody when they do video about this baby testimony, call my name, insult me for that platform, and me no talk put. You know say those, but anybody when I no answer, I no talk to for public. No say my plans are different. I not get their time. They are useless. I don't want you ask people.
Those one you even they talk to for the platform, those one you talk to on Facebook, they should be thankful say you talk. I mean no way they talk.
Yes.
Because I know you very well. Many people just they thank God. Many they sing, they thank God, say, Prophetess Grace, answer me. That means I really get grace. So those one when they don't answer. Especially people like the Kingsley, the Godwin, maybe they go ahead. But I bet them, if not even 10 years, may they just ban data state out of their stigma. Say, data state not be now no go area for us. Unless they enter data state, they not do video. Say, unless they enter data state, they not do video. Say, if they do video about themselves, say, I'm in so place in Warri, or in Saple, or in Abraka, or in Asaba. Now there they go pass, go carry. Now there they go pass, go carry. The backbone, the small money where they are also through Shorty, we go collect them for years. I go turn them. Not be another thing because when you talk about they talk, they give their father here saying a disgrace. I see someone that is I just be quiet. The day they go meet me and you, Mama.
Look at now, me when they say I be prophetess disgrace now or disgrace now. Oh yeah, me they stand, me I stand. Who they go pick? Both words, money, character, body, relationship. I don't know, respect, everything. Who they go pick?
They are not joined. Then maybe they try to talk, say, you go sweet me the day me and you go stand. One of the occultors say, is that not prophetess disgrace? If you feel throw 10 steps, waka come up for where he day again. Now we say get mind. He get heart. The whole power for the whole world body. So, he can't grow and join, I can't be devil. Now we say get mind. So mama, I read my case, but I leave the last one by saying, let K.O Family do a proper apology. The woman of K.O Family, that is how I call her. Not they call her K.O because I call her K.O. But she's decided to be focused.
So what I'm saying is this: I'm not here to fight anybody. I don't want to fight anybody, but I'm here to say this: we should learn how to be ourselves keeper. We should learn how to respect ourselves. We should learn how to be patient in life. It's not everything we see. Like me now, it's not everybody that talk to me. You see me come out on my live video and talk to them. No. And then on the other way around, when you talk to me, when I come to reply, you thank your God. But if you are talking to me, insulting me in your platform, and I'm not talking to you, I'm not seeing reason to it. Even if everybody is seeing reason, telling me that you are insulting me, I'm not seeing reason to it. Be scared of your life. Because my quiet is not good. When I speak out, it's more better off that when I quiet. My quiet is not good at all. When I speak out, it's more better off than I quiet. So if you like on your live video, insult me, it not concern me. If they don't even have respect for God himself, who am I to be human being? They don't have respect for God. The way they are insulting men of God, can they insult herbalists like that? Can they call an herbalist name and insult them like that? Let them try it now if they will break them. Because they know that as they are insulting men of God, insulting God, nobody will do anything to them until God decides to do. That is it. But they cannot insult an herbalist like that now. Let them try it now. So anybody insulting, calling me disgrace, even that is why I'm disgracing them. As they are calling me disgrace, that is why I am disgracing them. If they don't have respect for you, they don't have respect for God. That is it. That is it. And those of them that is insulting me, when I'm checking my phone, seeing so many of their disgrace, they are calling me disgrace. When I'm seeing their disgrace on my phone, it begin to all these people, they are now zone they be. So I know they talk. I know they make sure people name for my platform. Two things now I know they accept. I know they talk to who not talk to me. I know they accept insult for my platform. I know they carry the play people voice for my platform. No, I don't do it. I don't do it. I don't record people also when we discuss. I don't record people. No, except it's a voice record being sent to me. You see me post, play. But me discussing with you, record you, I don't do it. Because when you record me and play it on your platform, I will sue you for it. I will sue you. And you cannot wage it when the problem comes. So I don't record people. That is me for you. Thank you. So K.O family, I'm not here to fight. But I'm here because I know that when my sister was on a live video one time, Mommy Love, some people commented that you have apologized. Now that we are live now, I'm not seeing those people putting it here, but it's okay. If you have apologized, it's okay. I'm telling you, herbalist, can't talk to herbalist like, I call you out. They cannot do it too. They cannot do it. If they mistakenly do it, they will quickly go and call and apologize. They cannot do it too. But it's okay. We leave everything for God. K.O family, please help me bring this video down. That's what I'm asking. So this is the comment. He said Okpo Miliki. The person name is Osaige. Osas, all these people, you know, say they be useless people. Okpo Miniki, Prophetess Disgrace. Me Mebe, K.O family, I go disgrace all of una with fake prophet Jeremiah when by my mama. This one a fake account. Okay, let's take it that is fake account. Oh, let's take it that is fake account. If you did not talk about this thing now, fake account will not come out and say this nonsense. You when they hide after fake account, they call person Prophetess Disgrace. What you call consign me, consign you. Come outside if you be man. If you be man, and this person na fake account. When we say they all Facebook, they insult people. So your comment no matter, it no do anything. If you like or fight, if you like, come out with your real account. Don't use K.O family name. Okay, because me, I will not believe that this is K.O family. If it is K.O family, let her come out boldly. Yes, now. Let her come out boldly. Not hiding under fake account. That's why I put it on the screen now, so people can see it. You understand? That is why I put it on the screen. Then they're not going to say, disgrace. Don't now make me the disgrace now. If you trust yourself, come out with your real account. If I not disgrace you, or so, if I not disgrace you, I just going to contact K.O family. May bring down that video. That is all I request from. And we are waiting to see if those videos is done or not. Or K.O family be prepared to prove for me when my father killed your mother. It's a challenge. If you don't bring this video down, be prepared to come and tell me where and how my father killed your mother. If that video no go down, Agbata wuku babu waya, no go come out again. No. agbada uku ibobu waya aso agbada uku bobu waya inago come out again o agbada uku bobu waya aso.
My people sure una don watch the video, not be small thing o. You said they go dey insult and they call am different name, they call am Prophetess Grace. Say na so you go dey take dey disgrace them. Not be small thing. He say they no eat belle full, you know. They go get 100 naira take buy data, load free Wi-Fi. They go come out online, come they insult and they call am different name, Prophetess Disgrace. Even MC ladies and gentlemen, he come talk say the interior of Prophetess Grace house, say he go fit buy all these people when they make match, they go just on fan, on light, hide one place, you know, they do video, they insult people for online, say they don't eat belle full, say interior of a Prophetess Grace house, say he go fit buy them. My country people, not be small matter, not be small thing. I said, only my ear no fit hear this one. My can't drop this update for here again. My people, make una live on our opinion, no, than there. On a child, on a year now, for live on a bye bye, everyone.